Chuck Tanner would be proud of the restaurant that bears his name. Chuck Tanner's Restaurant, owned and operated by the Papazikas family, would love for you to be part of a Newcastle tradition. Come enjoy the great breakfast, super lunch, and second-to-none dinner choices from their Italian, Mediterranean, and American cuisine. You can relax with a wonderful atmosphere and something from the bar. If you're planning an event, ask about their banquet facility. Tanner's Restaurant is located at 2305 Wilmington Road in Neshannock Township. Call 724-658-5900.
If you're having a party, then Keystone Specialty is the place you need to go. Yes, they have every party supply that you can imagine. Planning that wedding, that graduation, or maybe it's just that big game that's coming up, go to Keystone Specialty. Party supplies and so much more. Remember, they have those fall decorations, winter, spring, and summer. It's Keystone Specialty on the south side of Newcastle, Mill Street.
If you're craving hot dogs and more, and you're in the area, then look no farther than Coney Island, downtown Newcastle on Kennedy Square.
NewsWatch, and we had told you about this, and I want you to understand this is really great. Wednesday, the 6th, from 7:30 to 9, it's a sound experience, the faculty artists concert, chamber music by professional musicians from across the country. It's the Renova Music Festival, and they're going to perform music by Schubert and Bo, I can't say that last name, I apologize, Maurice Revel, and more. Ken Long he's clarinet from Georgia State University. Patrice Warnick, oboe from Furman University. Naha Greenholz from the Quad City Symphony. Timothy Dighton from Penn State. Lynn Kavanagh, she's on cello from the Milwaukee Symphony. And you can see Josh Zona, he's on horn and director of the Renova Music Festival, and he's from Alexandria, Louisiana. The cost is $10 for adults and $5 for students. It's at North Minster Presbyterian Church. You can call 724-651-7466. Now, we'll be right back after we hear from these sponsors who keep community television on the air.